To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. From this particular video, we'll be starting to solve the problems on the fourth module, that is investment decisions. In this investment decisions, you have total 5 methods to solve the problem. We'll start solving from one by one method. In that first method is payback period method. So there's a question on the screen. Please take the screenshot of the question or at least pause the video and write down the question so that it will be easy for you if you try to solve along with me. A project requires an initial investment. Initial investment means starting the project, whatever the investment they have done, that is called as initial investment. Initial investment will also be called as original investment. Initial investment ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ನ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಮನಿನ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Of rupees 60,000, so they had invested the amount, how much? 60,000 rupees. And yields means returns yields an annual cash inflow means cash is coming to business. So business ka cash barta ide, cash inflow anta karitivi, of rupees 2,000 for 8 years. So for 8 years, each year they are getting 2,000 rupees. 8 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 2,000 rupees ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. The payback period will be, so we need to calculate the payback period. What is this payback period means? Whatever the money we have invested, when we will get back. So that period, to calculate that period is payback period. ನಾವು ಏನು ಬಂಡವಾಳ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀವೋ ಆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಸ್ calculation of payback period. So here what they have told in the problem, for 8 years they will get 20,000. That means first year also he will get 20,000, second year he will get 20,000, third year also he will get 20,000, fourth year also he will get 20,000, fifth year also he will get 20,000, sixth year 20,000, 7th year 20,000, 8th year 20,000. means even cash inflow. Even means every year they are getting same amount of inflow. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಒಂದೇ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅದು? 20,000. So when there is an even cash inflow, this is case number 1, even cash inflow. So the formula to find the PBP means payback period is equal to original investment divided by annual cash flow. Original investment divided by annual cash inflow. So what is our original invest? In question they are told initial investment. As I told you, initial investment is nothing but our original investment. The initial investment was made, that is rupees 60,000. So the original investment will be 60,000 divided by annual cash flow, means every year how much he is getting? 20,000 returns we are getting. So now calculate 60,000 divided by 20,000 will be 3. Answer will be written as what? 3. 3 means 3 years, which means whatever the amount they had invested into business, they will get back in 3 years. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಬಂಡವಾಳ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದು 3 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. This is how we need to solve like this problem. Hope you have understood on how to solve this problem. If you have any doubts while solving this problem, please put all your doubts and queries in the comment box so that I can respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.